the laws of indices. The first law is addition law. Addition law. So this law states that when you are multiplying two index numbers with the same base, all you need to do is add the powers. Okay, so if you have a question where you're expected to multiply two index numbers that have the same base, all you need to do is add the powers. Okay, so when you're multiplying two index numbers with the same base, all you need to do is simply add the powers. So this law means if you have a to the power of b multiplying a to the power of c, what we are going to get is, now if you look here, the base here is a, the base over here is a, so the bases are the same. So if you have two index numbers, you are multiplying them, and the bases are the same, all you need to do is pick one of the two bases. So we have a, and then you add the powers, b plus c. So this is what this law simply tells us. If the bases are the same, pick one of the two bases and then add the powers. So if I have b to the power of 5 multiplied by b to the power of 2, what do I do? So you can see that the bases are the same. The base here is b, the base here is b. So I pick one of them, and then I add the powers, 5 plus 2. And that will give us 7. So I have b to the power of 7. B to the power of 7. So let's confirm the validity of this law. Let's look at b to the power of 5. B to the power of 5 means b is multiplying itself 5 times. So b times b times b times b times b. This is b to the power of 5. And it is multiplying b to the power of 2. Okay? So b to the power of 5 is multiplying b to the power of 2. So since we have multiplication, joining them together, we can simply remove the brackets. So we can have b times b times b times b times b times b. So we have removed the bracket that is separating them. So now we have b multiplying itself 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means it is b to the power of 7, which agrees with what we did with the law of addition. Okay, so I just use this to show you that the law is valid. So let's look at some examples. So 5b to the power of 2 multiplied by 2b to the power of 3. So what I normally do is I bring the numbers together. So I have 5 multiplied by 2 in one bracket, and then I have b to the power of 2 multiplied by b to the power of 3 in the other bracket to make the work easy. So we can simply multiply the numbers. 5 multiplied by 2 gives us 10. Since the bases are the same, we have b to the power of 2 plus 3. And that will give us b to the power of 5. So this is the simple way of applying the law of addition. Let's solve one more question. So we have 6x to the power of 7 multiplied by 3x to the power of minus 2. So first thing we identify is the variables. You can see here the variable is x, here the variable is x. So we can work on the law of addition. So let's separate the numbers, the coefficients. 6 multiplied by 3 in one bracket, and then we'll have x to the power of 7 multiplied by x to the power of minus 2. 6 times 3 gives us 18. bases are the same, so we'll pick one. So here, since we are multiplying, we're going to add the exponent. So 7 plus minus 2. 7 plus minus 2. But we know that plus times minus will give you minus from basic algebra. And that will give us 18x to the power of 5. So I'd like you guys, I'm going to write one classwork. You try it, then we go to the next law. Let me use dots. So dots means multiplication. Let's see.